Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide, we will provide you with instructions to remove the ransomware that is called MTX. MTX is the ransomware type threat that currently affects the majority of Windows files. It attacks pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. The ransomware is able to encrypt the files and then add a special extension. In fact, MTX is the name of that extension that is added by this particular ransomware. By the way, you may open the task manager of your computer and then discover that there are some suspicious processes with long random names running in the background. If you discover such processes, it could mean that there is the ransomware type infection that is currently encrypting your data. This particular MTX ransomware is the part of the D-harm ransomware family. Nobody knows exactly how this particular ransomware is spread, but obviously the fact that this ransomware has injected your system means that your computer was poorly protected by the current security software. So it means that your existing security program actually failed to protect your system from being damaged by this particular ransomware. And as I said, if you have discovered some of your files to be already damaged by this ransomware, it's a good idea that you go to the task manager, look for the suspicious processes with long random names, right-click on them, and then end their task in order to stop any further file encryption. However, it often happens that it is too late and the ransomware may have already damaged some of your important files. But it often happens that it is too late and the files have been already damaged by this particular ransomware. As I said, the ransomware adds the special MTX extension to the files and people cannot open them anymore. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be recovered, so please do not ever pay that ransom. We recommend you to remove this MTX ransomware from the D-harm family using Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So download it using this green download Combo Cleaner button. Install the software and start carefully researching the system with its help. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection and elimination, and then it will begin scanning your computer. The program works very well at detecting and deleting all contemporary ransomware type threats, and it is also able to fix your browser related issues. So the scanning by Combo Cleaner will then begin and you will see the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. So you will see the summary of all threads found during the scan, and Combo Cleaner will give you the report mentioning the locations of all these threads on your computer. Obviously, you may remove these threads manually, but we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of the program to get rid of these threads automatically and to protect your system from being damaged in the future.